Warm greetings to all our dear PCU students. I extend my heartfelt welcome as you continue your journey here at Philippine Christian University. Each academic year brings new opportunities for growth, learning, and transformation, and we are honored to be part of the support system that guides you through it. In a world driven by innovation and rapid technological change, your resilience, creativity, and dedication truly stand out. As you navigate your courses, projects, and the challenges ahead, always remember that the ICT Center is committed to providing you with reliable digital services, systems, and tools that will help you empower your learning experience. Continue to lead with curiosity, integrity, and purpose. You are the future of this university and the future of the world. And we believe in your capability to make a difference. Once again, welcome to Philippine Christian University.